themselves.
What was the most thing that shocked you when you go to Parliament? Now you're in Parliament, you see there are all those, but now you're sitting there, you are used to be huddled and all those things, people insulting you and all of that. But what was the most thing that shocked you? That you said, like this one, I can't take it anymore?
It's a level of acting. You know, if those 400 members of parliament were to join Generations or Scandal or Uzalo, you know, they would get like good actors and actresses, because when the cameras are on, they act and speak in a certain way. When you meet them in the corridors and where there's no cameras, they speak differently. Even the manner in which they speak. When a person is in the podium, they'll want to speak in a certain tone, in a certain accent. When you see them outside, like they are normal. So I was always asking myself, but why do you need to act? Why can't you be yourself? Why do you need to project yourself as a certain way in terms of your image, how you speak, how you articulate, even the gestures that you make when you're speaking? But when the cameras are off, you are like a normal human being. Why can't you be normal? So I found that there's a high level of acting amongst members of parliament, and I found it to be very disingenuous, because people should vote for you and relate to you because of who you are, not because you are acting to be in a certain way.
So do you think that the Oscars should also consider maybe looking at our parliament for
They must definitely look.
Okay.